May 2021. We were getting closer to leaving Norway, and after 9 months at home on my part and 6 months for Cody, we were preparing our 4-month-old for a new phase of our life, on the water. Our car that we bought were getting ready for sale, and our final moments with my family quickly ended, until the final day before departure, which happened to be Norway's National Day, May 17th.
What about this? The nut?
So, you have everything you need to wear? In there, right? Millie got her citizenship, passport, and papers just in time, and after cleaning and organizing, the final items were being stowed away in bags. Yet again, we had to leave somewhere. And even though it's always tough, this time we were going together, and we were going back home.
Yes, but I'm not leaving my lucky pair of drawers.
I'll do the best I can, and you know I'm good.
I have a whole nother personal bag you can put things in.
No,
This
that's where
whole
we're gonna
thing?
have toiletries.
That's why I said you should leave these sweatshirts. They take up too much space.
You need some nice clothes.
Can somebody please explain why a infant needs a bag this big and I get a bag this big?
Well, that's all her belongings. This is Vinyasa, our floating home that we, as the name suggests, mindfully try to move through life on from one place to the next. Now with a new crew member, our little girl Millie Breeze, we aim to live simply with less stuff and hassle while working, exploring, and dreaming. I'm Therese, and this is Cody. Subscribe and join in on our life's journey with the world at our keel.
We could put her in there about 4 or 5 times, stacked up. Do you want to explain to everybody what's going on?
I am now packing the last of everything, and I'm so tired. I'm trying to get the rest of our stuff into bags and try not to exceed any measurements and
that's
not bring things we don't need.
That's where I come in with my handy device here.
So he weighs things, and I pack things.
Check. Under 23.
That was under 10, right?
9.7. That's a perfect bag.
Okay.
So we are heading out to the States at 2 a.m.
Really try hard not to have more bags than necessary, because it's just annoying to carry everything. And because also living on a boat, you don't want a lot of suitcases. We have one because we can throw it away after. It's so run down, I don't even know if it's going to hold. That's all our belongings, so hopefully it holds. Every other bag needs to be able to be stored. So that also means it has to be carried. It can't be rolled anywhere. So to carry all these things are just annoying.
But we're going. We're doing it. We're heading
going.
back to the boat.
And now, mission closing this guy.
We've came to Norway. We've made a baby. Oh.
I got really heavy lately.
Yeah.
So that's
No.
not true. I got really light.
Yeah.
So you might have to do this. My boobs are heavy then.
Oh,
No, she just ate.
TMI. Too much information.
Here we go. Got it.
Let's get it though. We're almost packed.
Hopefully no TSA officer unpacks these to check for,
Yeah.
suspicious items, because they can't get this shut again.
Oh. $15. Okay, we're off. It's we're running late, but it's 2:40 a.m. and Mariana is awesome for driving us early this morning.
Yes.
Hopefully everything.
2:44.
2:44. Our goal was 2:30, but I'd say that's close. That's close enough. All right. Off to the airport. That was nice. They had a 2-year-old.
Hey, are you walking? Are we gonna fly?
Hey, honey.
Ready to go. Almost. Wear this thing. Most important prop I have.
Oh, hi. Are you ready to go flying? Don't do it.
You ready?
Somebody's in a good mood.
I've said it many times, I know I would change my ways, I know for sure. When all the crows decide to meet, they settle down beneath my feet. I've got it right and I got it wrong, but I learned my lesson hanging
Break
on.
time.
Come sit here with me by the fire and let it go for a little while. So be here as the night starts falling. Let my fingers walk over your head. We got nothing to be scared of. I'd rather be with you about myself. I'm always in your head.
Should we go change it? Do you want a new diaper? I'm wondering about all the places you can hide burp cloths. All the layers you have. It's actually just 2, but I could have hidden way more. Also, there was a baby in here, and I have so many layers, and it's so warm, and I can't.
Ooh, one more flight, honey.
Yeah, one more flight.
Thought control will lead me to an ending road, and heavy metal seemed to be the only thing that was for me.
We're ready?
And I saw the end.
Oh my god, I'm so tired.
And are
Are
you
you
ready?
ready?
18 hours of flying and you're still
Are you ready?
She's like, yeah, Mom, this is just what I usually do. I just eat food and then go to
And
sleep.
wake up.
Now wake up in new places. So, we have made it to our Airbnb.
They got mozzarella sticks.
Oh, is that what you want?
I don't want just a big bowl of mozzarella
Millie,
sticks.
do you want mozzarella stick flavored milk?
Amari, garlic
Ooh.
bread with cheese. Come on, these guys aren't even real.
I know, it's a super cool spot. And it's not very far to walk. It's right across the road.
People that say that like living next to traffic does not, or I can't speak English obviously.
Oh yeah, honey bun.
It's perks living across the road from.
Hubbard's Pizza Park.
ready for the boat. I think gonna go check it out, pick up a stroller. That's today's mission. Clean the boat. Are you ready, buddy? Are you? You ready to go see your new home? Alright, we're getting there. Alfred's looking a little sad, but hopefully he's salvageable. Cody is installing the first 2 solar panels again, I think, just to be ready to go when we take this thing all the way off. Yeah, some organizing and some cleaning, and we should have a home again. So, how's it going?
Good. I think it actually looks pretty good up here.
That's good.
It's not too bad. There's some definite rust and a few things. But if you step back here.
Alright guys, so this
is Caddy
was
Walk.
yeah, I guess Alfred's destiny was to fall down from this spot.
This is Dingus the Dabbits. Crooked.
Oh man.
This is what happens when you just try to get out of here really quick to go and see.
It's the karma or something. The
Yeah.
boat was like, oh, you know what? You left me.
No, what happened is I was a dingus and should have definitely not put the dinghy hanging here because we had a big storm. It came in from the back and maybe it got I strapped it down. I thought it was gonna be fine, and I left the drain plug open, and
Storm came through, bent this push pit, and
fiberglass,
pushed in some fiberglass.
fiberglassing, welding. The davits itself are not broken.
Well, our goal is to build an arch.
We're building one. It's not that bad.
It really wasn't all that bad, but as we had big plans for our boat these 2 weeks, there was a lot that had to be done, and even with our awesome Transformer stroller, it couldn't solve everything. It wasn't easy to get things done with the baby at the yard for the both of us. I had about a 20-minute task window in the morning, but Millie was mostly awake the rest of the day. She might have caught a little bit of a jet lag, or she might have been too excited to sleep. Either way, she needed a lot of attention and food. Lucky for me, Cody brought home a surprise.
You know what's really crappy?
What?
When your other boat partner gets mad at you for doing work that will help him get his work done on the boat while she is taking care of a baby.
All right.
You want to explain yourself?
Because you're trying to take my job.
You got some splaining
First of all,
to do.
Okay, you have to stay silent while I explain.
Please explain.
1,
Yeah.
this is my job.
What
I
job?
was going to clean the inside and arrange and organize, so my decision. 2, you had other tasks to do today, so focusing on this wasn't really your task. I get that you did it, and I can wash all the clothes and bring them back.
Yeah.
But it's
All
just
right.
I will forgive you.
We'll put our child in between us.
If you can find my red checkered shirt, my favorite shirt.
you ready? Let's go. Wow. What do you think? What do you think? Mom, not too bad. What do you think, honey?
Dad made it a little bit dirty in here.
She looks a little freaked out. It'll be fine.
What are you gonna be freaked out about?
I think she's warming up.
This is your new house.
She's getting a little tired of going back and forth in a car seat. So she's stretching it out here on the floor at the boatyard, nursing a baby in the back of a van. It's a little funny, but yeah, Cody was missing a tool, so I'm gonna try to get that. And also we are cleaning all of our clothes. So I decided to then come back to the house, make a little bit of food, a smoothie, and heating up some leftover pizza and stuff. Yeah, we'll be on our way to try to go to Home Depot, get the last tool, and go back. Back in the car seat. Back to Home Depot, back to Dad and eat lunch. So it's another day at the yard. Yeah, honey. And we're gonna try hard to get an arch started and built within the next 2 weeks. Cody's parents arrived today. I'm in the back of our truck. Yeah, or our car. And everyone's at the meeting but us. Yeah. All right, let's see how this pans out. All right. Linda, we want to say a very special thank you to our very first patron, Linda. We are eternally grateful for you to kick this off, and we haven't even made a video on Patreon yet, so that is, thank you. That is huge.
Yes.
Millie,
You are awesome.
is very grateful too.
Yeah, she's gonna be happy now with all the support that you're giving her. Now she'll be able to actually be able to eat and get some food. You're awesome. Thank you. For those of you that are also still out there, you can feel free to follow in line with Linda and also support us. If not, keep watching our videos. Like, subscribe, comment down below. I love how I did all that with talking with her hands.
Yeah, that is perfect.
These are my new
That's
hands
just
now.
how we want it. All right. Are we ready?
Oh, I'm ready. The real thing is Grandma ready? You're ready. You're wide awake, kid.
It's 10 o'clock at night.
She don't care. She's like, where are you guys taking me again? I did this before.
We are going to pick up Cody's parents now, so